People stay stuck in transforming their life, not because they don't have a goal, but because their goals are not exciting enough. Here are 5 ways to make your vision exciting. Number one is ask yourself, why are you doing this? I know you've heard this before. Ask yourself what your vision is about. Number two is connect your vision to a bigger purpose you care about. Remember, why does it matter to you? What do you care about the most? To help you out, you can have 3 focus areas of why you care. I want to make good money. I want to leave my 9 to 5. I want to travel the world. I want freedom to work anywhere. I want to lose weight, whatever that is. But remember, tie your vision to a bigger purpose. If you answer number 1 correctly, number 2 will be easier. Number 3 is look at the benefits. What would you gain if you were to follow through in 5 years' time if you achieved your goals? What would it do? How would it transform your life? Make a note of the benefits because the benefits will help you see the outcome, the results. What would you gain? And also, what is the consequences if you don't? Remember that if your goal is not exciting enough, you're going to be sluggish. You're not going to be able to achieve them in the way that you want to. You're not going to be, there's nothing motivating you really. Number 4 is make it visual. Now, have a vision board, have it somewhere visual that you can see. If you're someone that likes to listen, record your voice. Record your voice saying all the beautiful detail of what you want to achieve, your result, what you want to gain. By the time your life is transformed, what exactly would it look like for you? Have it in an audio. Listen to your voice before you go to bed and when you wake up. Number 5 is where people mostly make the mistake. Be realistic with your vision. Be realistic with your plan. Be realistic with your goal. Yes, we want all those beautiful things, but guess what? Are you the person that can execute, that can implement? Take small steps. And as you begin to evolve, you'll begin to lay them, you'll begin to expand, you begin to stretch yourself. Don't make a big list of things that you know is not realistic. If you're not a morning person, don't say, yes, I'm going to wake up in the morning, I'm going to motivate myself to go to the gym. No, don't do that because you're just going to stretch yourself and shut down. And then somewhere through the journey, you're going to give up. So be realistic. If your goal is to earn £1 million a year, you need to be earning like 100,000 in a month, right? Or almost there. So, and you need to think about, is it 1 million in revenue? 1 million in profits? What does that 1 million look like? So if you are only making 5K a month, look at the gap. Look at the gap. If you're only making 5K a month, then it means that there's a lot of work you need to do to be earning 100K a month, right? Not that it's not possible, not that your life can't change, but let's be realistic. For you going from 5K a month to 100K a month, you need to be putting in real work. You need to change your style. You need to change your mindset. You need to show up differently. So if you're not doing that, if you're not ready to do that, then don't put something on your list that you know is just gonna be taking space. So be realistic. And I know that 2026 will be an amazing year for you. And I know you will go forth and be amazing. And I know that your dreams will come through and your vision will become a reality. Comment below if you've already started laying your plans and laying the groundwork for the person you want to become in the future. Stay blessed.